Okay. All right, Mom. So I've set it up, but I'm not sure if I save it and send it back to you, if it will do what you want. So I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer. So it's if you just go and you click on a column and you hold your mouse down and you drag it over, keep going to the end like you want right there, and then you have these tabs at the top. So File, Home, Insert. Just go to Page Layout. And then down here it says Print Area. So you click on this and then it says Set Print Area. And it's what you highlighted is what it will print. So if you go to File, Print, and I want to see my print preview, then it will look like this. So ending right there. If that is not what you are wanting, let me know and I can do something different. Just so you know, it does say it's printing 1 of 10 pages. So if I like scroll down, it's printing like lots of columns. And I don't know if that's what you want either. So you might want to, you can see that page numbers are changing down there. You might just want to print like page 1 to 1 kind of thing. But anyways, hope that helps. If this bugs you that the line is off right there, because it kind of bugs me, you can go in and change your margins to a little bit different. I didn't like that one. Let's see, normal. Sorry, this video, I don't really like that one either. Wide. Nope. So maybe I just do like custom. And it was the right side. Like maybe we need to go a little bit smaller. Anyways, sorry, I messed it up, but maybe don't mess with that margining. But anyways, let me know if that's what you want. I can print it at my house if you can't get it to work. Or I can come to your house, whatever you need. Just let me know. So, yeah. All right. Love you, Mom.